Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining today. Today we're going to be making some delicious homemade stock with turkey. Stay tuned guys. Alright, so we're going to start off by cutting up an onion because this is part of what we're going to be using to make our stock. Alright, and in case you've ever been wondering how to cut an onion, well, you can watch this. I'll be showing you how to cut an onion. Okay? So basically we're going to be making stock, right? And I'm using turkey because, as you know, this is turkey season with Thanksgiving and the holidays. But you can use any protein of your choice, any meat protein of your choice, right? Just cook it the way you would normally cook it and you would get your stock. And you can also season it with the seasonings I'm using or your preferred seasonings. But for today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my turkey stock. So I'm using half of a medium onion. Alright, and once I'm done cutting up that onion, I'm just going to wash it and then we'll get to preparing the turkey itself. So the onion is all washed now, and it's time to handle the turkey. For the turkey, I'm using about 3 pounds of turkey wings. They're already chopped. It was chopped at the butcher's shop, so I'm just going to wash these thoroughly, make sure that they are clean and ready to cook. After washing the turkey, I'm going to put in that onion that I chopped earlier. And this is very simple seasoning I'm using here. As you know, I like using simple natural seasonings. I'm going to put in some black pepper. I put about 2 teaspoons of that, I believe. Actually, 1 teaspoon of that. And then put your salt to taste. You know, just put salt to your preferred taste. I used about 3 teaspoons of salt, but everybody has their own salt tolerance and taste, so please just put the salt to your own preferred taste. And then next is our power ingredient, this green seasoning cube. I'm going to leave a link in the description box to this seasoning cube because it is a powerful ingredient. It's so tasty. All right, so an important point here, I'm not adding any water at this point. You want the turkey to cook in its own juices first. That ensures that it's really flavorful before you then add additional water. So you see it's cooking in its own juices, so just mix it up together and make sure that all the seasonings are mixed as it begins to really cook in its own juices. Cover it back up and let it continue to cook. All right, so it's beginning to cook. The water is beginning to become less and less. So it's about this time that we're going to add in additional water when it's already cooked in its own juices for some time. So just a little bit of water I'm adding. So here I'm going to also tell you something, right? I like my stock thicker, so I actually don't add a lot of additional water. But if you want a more liquidy stock, add more water. But I prefer just a very concentrated flavorful stock. And close to the end of this is when I add my thyme, because I want that fresh thyme flavor to really shine through. So I'm just adding some thyme here, mixing it up together again. And then cover it up. Okay, so after that, once it cooks for a couple more minutes, it is pretty much done. Okay, so I'm just separating the turkey, putting out the turkey into a separate container so that I can get my stock. All right, and like I said, this stock is going to be thick and juicy. All right, if you prefer a thinner stock, like I said, just add a little bit more water than I did. In my next video, I'm actually going to show you what I did with this turkey meat. Can anybody guess in the comments below? It's going to be a good one, so stay tuned for that video as well. All right, but at this point, it's done. It's ready. Your turkey stock is ready for you to use your stock to flavor up whatever you normally use your stock to flavor up, be it your soups, your stews, you know, the whole thing. All right, so now it's time for that stock, that turkey stock. And like I said earlier, this can be used for other proteins as well. You can use this for beef, you can use this for goat meat, ram meat. Yeah, you can even use it for fish, but obviously for fish, you want to cook it for a less amount of time because fish is a lot softer. But yeah, cook it the way you would cook your protein if you're not using turkey, but do consider using these seasonings because it's a powerful combo. All right, thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Hope you're having a happy holiday. I'll be bringing on some more savory dishes in my next couple of videos. All right, please like, share, subscribe. Till the next one, guys. Bye.